We hope to see everyone here at Art Windsor Essex for Awe at Night. It happens every third Thursday of every month. And this month, it is on Thursday, May 15th, and we're open late from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. And there are different activities happening throughout the gallery, from community conversations to artist activities in the studio to guided tours. There's activities throughout the evening. And on May 15th, we're also inviting you to the grand opening of the community display for our program with Community Living Windsor. It will feature some of the works that were created during the workshops and come and celebrate all of their amazing achievements. So we hope to see you there. There's going to be music, food, dancing. It'll be a fun night. So see you there.